It's been a while, but we've got our buddy Mike over here. It's probably been about 2 months that he's been able to get over here.
Yeah.
And he's continuing. He's working on the wiring harness here. Last time he was here, he got the headlights, the horns, and everything across the front of the cowl here. All of these. And today he cut out everything I had going across the front of the truck there, the cowl area, and he's pulling it through here. He's gonna straighten it out for you, buddy.
Yeah, yeah. Can you feed that in for me?
Yeah, yeah. He's got everything running over to the solenoid, and he got a circuit breaker over here on the side. You got it?
Yeah, that's
okay.
fine.
All right.
Okay.
All right. If we get into anything that seems interesting, I'll turn these back on. But right now, I'm just trying to stay out of Mike's way. All right. Let's see how Mike made out here. Looks like he cleaned up all this wiring here. Got it all in a loom, all tucked up under the cowl.
Yeah, that side came out pretty nice. I
Yeah.
will say that.
Okay, so we got the front, all our horns and everything hooked up, and all our wiring hooked up on that side. Now you just got to run this wiring.
Yeah, this is the harness we made up last time. I just have to I got to dress it back. I got to make a couple more solder joints to tie like the horn leads in together and the parking lights together before they shoot back through the firewall. So,
Okay.
but these main headlight wiring, this 10 gauge stuff, I'm going to send through there now.
Okay.
Just to get it out of the way.
And then once we get inside the dash, we hook up to that new fuse panel we got.
Right.
All right. Good deal, buddy. Looks a lot better. He cut out wires here. I had no clue what they were or where they went, but apparently they weren't.
They didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I thought we took care of all those, you know, a year ago when we initially got the thing running, but no, there were a few stragglers. They were just wires that don't do anything.
Wires that don't go anywhere.
You get that on these hot rod.
Right, right. And there's
project trucks.
And there's no other end. There's no end to it. It's cut off in the middle of the loom.
Yeah.
So, all right. So that's all set. All right. We'll see you when we get inside. All right. Our buddy Mike has about 3 hours on this, and has it all run through to the cab. So I think we're all done up front, right, Mike?
We are completely done up front. Other than we need some larger diameter loom just for this run. I think this is 3/8. We need 5/8 just for this run right here.
All right.
And that's it. That's
all
it.
Right. So I'll get that. And we need more wire too. So
we need more 14. Yeah.
I'll get that. I'll get that when I.
But all the terminations up front are made. The power wiring, the control wiring, the senders, the brake switch, headlights,
everything.
Yeah,
all right. We can come around here. This is what we got left. Yeah, right. And all this has to get connected. I know you guys are saying, "Oh, how's what goes where and everything?" He has everything up front's labeled. He has a little label maker. So.
Yeah, well, yeah, the masking tape is temporary, but
right,
I do have
but up front and everything.
Label maker that will identify what the wire function is and then where it gets landed.
So he's going to have to hook that up to what wires are up here, and then I don't know if you can see it. I'll turn my light on here. There's a brand new fuse box down there, and he's going to hook everything up to that. So he left me with some instructions, so I can get a little bit ahead on there. I'm gonna run the wiring all the way back to these taillights. Right now I have temporary taillights on here, but I'm gonna run all new wiring back here, up under the hood and through the cab. So when he gets here, all he has to do is hook stuff up. So it's probably gonna be a short video, but there's not much you can do with a wiring video. It's not that exciting, and he don't want me on his back all the time. It's hot out here. And
yeah,
I guess that's about
3 hours of sleep too.
That's it. Yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. He worked the night shift last night, so he did me a favor by coming. So it's getting there, but that's where we're at. So what do you say, buddy? Enough of this?
Enough of this.
All right. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. All right. Yeah, Mike's gone now, so maybe I'll give you a little bonus footage. Huh. I think I see a lantern bug. A little baby lantern bug. Lantern fly. They're infesting the United States. Whoop, sorry about that. Got a little too aggressive. There he goes. Whoop. Yeah, try to kill him, but just not him around. But anyway, like I say, Mike is gone, so I think this is a pretty short video. I think we'll go inside there and I'll give you a little bonus footage. All right, we'll see you inside. All right, a little noisy, but we got the air conditioner on. But a lot of guys ask about my door here, and might as well update it. I'm trying to get all international plates here. But I did have a couple of, even cool signs like the danger sign. That's a porcelain, and the gray one there, New Jersey. That's a 1911 porcelain, and the red one here is a New Jersey 1914 porcelain. But it also has the registration on there, so that's interesting. So, like I said, I was trying to fill this with international plates, and I think we got the blue one there is the Netherlands, and then we got the English motorcycle one, and Germany, Ireland, Australia, I believe that's Sweden, the red one, and New Zealand, the white and black one there, and the two bottom ones are South Africa, and Daddy Dirtbike got me that one from Aruba. But I'm trying to fill the door with international plates, and let's go over here. And our buddy Chuck Kirshner, a long-time subscriber and patron, and just a generally good guy, sent me these. And this one here, this one here is beautiful. This is really interesting. This one was actually a friend of his. It's from Iceland, and it was on his '62 Volkswagen. And this is actually military from airport over there, and he was stationed over in Reykjavik, whatever it is, Iceland, and that's the plates they used. I really like that one. That's aluminum. And he also sent this one here. This one's pretty cool. Chuck's American, all American, and he had this. This is British. But he had this on his 1964 Hillman Super Minx. So maybe some of you Brits can tell me exactly where it's from, because I know these first three letters actually tells you what county or province or whatever they are over there. Like the Y is it may mean something, or the F might mean something, but it's a little tough for us Americans to figure out. Maybe you guys can help me on that. So, thank you, Chuck. Yeah, Chuck's been a patron, and lately we haven't been doing much engine work, building any engines, but because we're stuck on that old Ford out there, and I'm getting older, so I just don't have the stamina I used to, or the strength and everything, so I'm only doing one project at a time. But anyway, Chuck, he put this on a beautiful piece of T111. I wish I could find something like this around here, because I got to redo my garage doors, and all they have around here is garbage. But this is almost like old style, it was really nice. And he screwed it with these nice finishing screws. I'll probably use that to put it on the door. But anyway, if anybody like Chuck, if anybody wants to become a patron and everything, I always leave that link on the back there. That helps us out, especially when we're doing little engines. But thanks again, Chuck, for these plates. And let me show you guys what else we had to put on the wall here that I picked up. All right, sorry about that. I'm a one-man operation here. Alright, I just took this off the door. This is from our buddy Vinny. He goes by Baggett Corner on the YouTube TV. And it's from Manitoba, 1926 Manitoba plate. Pretty rough, but it's still pretty cool. I took it off the door because I'm actually going to put it up alongside this one. and it'll fit perfect. They're about the right size. You know, that's a commercial Jersey plate from 1922. Like I said, I mean, I like to put all international plates up there, but if I come across something unusual like this one, I'll put that up there. And if I wind up getting, you know, an international plate or something nicer, I'll replace it with this. Take this one off. I'll replace it with that. But also got these. These international plates are so long. I guess I got to stand way back to get them to fit them in the screen here. But this one here, I always remember back what they are. This is a Norway. This one was from Norway. Import plate. I guess if they import a car from Norway, this is what they're going to put on there. And I grabbed this at a not a flea market, but a show. Flea market at one of our engine shows. So I'm going to put them on the wall. And yeah, one thing I wanted to mention. You know what? I need something to fill these tiny little spaces here. And license plate fits perfect from a motorcycle. I think it's like 7 inches by 4 inches or so. Or anything cool like this. This is a British plaque, and that fits in that little area nice. And like I say, even this, you know, something small. So I'm always going to wind up with, after one of these license plates, a little 7 by 4 or 5 inch space. You know, like right down here next to this one. So, any of you guys have license plates that you don't need, let me know. And my email is on the home page there under About, the About page, and you guys can contact me through there. So, all right, like I said, it's just a little filler, a little update, a little bonus footage, and I appreciate it. You know, a lot of people send me all kinds of stuff, and I appreciate everything they send. So, thanks again, Chuck. And we'll see you guys on the next one. All right.